Hello and welcome to today's unboxing video. So this one's really exciting. I recently got these for my birthday. A friend got them for me and I didn't realise that they still did them. These are like the original Digimon, sort of like Tamagotchi pet type things. And when I was younger, I had one of these. My brother had one. And basically, for those who don't know what these are, because Liam had never even heard of these. He'd heard of Digimon, obviously, but he'd never heard of these in particular, which shocked me to my core. And unfortunately, he's now dead in a corner somewhere. I had to take my revenge out somehow. Now, these basically, they're Tamagotchis, but you raise them up to be able to battle each other. And depending how you treat them and everything, you get all these different surprise kind of evolutions, digilutions, I don't know what Digimon people call it. Basically change into different types of monsters and then you connect them and they battle. And obviously I got two of them, so I am really excited. I think I'll be using one, my son will be using the other. We're just gonna have a ton of fun with these. But first I wanted to unbox them because I couldn't leave you guys out of it. I didn't even know that they still did these. So start off with the blue. So see, you've got your Digimon there, a couple of the big things that they could maybe Digivolve into. I'm gonna go with Digivolve, who knows. And then on the back, obviously you've got a couple of things about what they do. You can connect them together and everything as well. Oof, I'm pretty excited. I have no idea anything about Digimon. Obviously, I had these when I was younger, and that's about as far into Digimon as I've ever got. I've never watched the anime, I've never watched anything to do with it. I haven't really played any of the games either. I think I tried one on PlayStation once, but about as far as I got. Ah, I am having such a nostalgia blast, and that's a lot of literature right there. It's a lot of dead monkeys that have been shredded to make that happen. Right. So here we go. We've got your Digimon. So this is it. Obviously, you've got your little keychain. So like all the cool kids, I can hook it to like my belt or my keyring or something else like that. And so you've got the kind of connector on the top there, so they would like push in together. And I'm having so much nostalgia right now. They're so much smaller than I remember. Everything back then was so much smaller. Absolutely love it. So let's pop this one open, and then we'll power one of them on and just have a look. So pretty much the same sort of thing here, slightly different on the back, showing how they connect. I remember always getting, I think it's the poo slug. Like, if you were really bad at raising your Digimon, it always turned into this, like, poo monster that kind of shot poo at everything. And, yeah, it was awful in battle. I was never very good with these, so hopefully, if I can ever get into this box, I'll do a little bit better this time round. So here we go. Ooh. You got a couple of them just for the camera they can turn into with my poo monster on there. There he is, the slug. I always had that slug. Like, and there was a cheat. I remember, I think you could do something like, you pulled out the tab on the back, or you did something with the batteries, and as you powered it on, it meant that it would skip like the initial stages. For like the first 3 days, I don't think they can battle because they're baby Digimon? Baby mom? No idea. But basically, yeah, they can't battle, so you could cheat as a kid and then make them older. There we go, so we've got this one, the green one, which is a slightly transparent plastic on there. Again, you've got the connector, so they would go like so. And then you have your battle, and basically you take turns shooting each other and stuff like that. So let's power this one on. Ooh. Oh, my Digimon it says blue. Okay. Blue Digimon, right? Blue. Okay, thank you. It's just gonna keep telling me that. Ah, here we go. So I've got to set the time. The time right now is 09:01. How do I go up and down? Ah, here we go. Oh yes, that's. Oh, here we go. Okay, and it's set. Oh, there's my egg. My egg is hatching. I bet you can't see any of this on the overhead camera. Because that is... like, if I tilt it slightly, I just see black squares. This is so exciting. Is he going to hatch? Do I have to do something? I want it to hatch. Hatch my baby. Give me my baby. He's not doing anything. Now, this is a lazy Digimon. Maybe I have to wait a while, maybe take some time to hatch. I assume this is going to be the same. May as well set it up whilst we're here. Ba-ba-bum, Digimon 20th. Ooh. So let's have a look. So name, oh, this one you've got to put a name in. Oh gosh. I'm just going to go for L, first initial. Oh, there he is. Oh, he's beeping and everything. He's, oh god, I think he exploded. He didn't just hatch. Oh no. What's happening? Okay. So show him the time. Oh, and there's my Digimon. He's bouncing around. Okay, so use this top one by the looks of things to... So, Putimon. Okay. He's 0 years old and he currently weighs 5 grams. He's hungry. Poor child. Oh, strength, effort. Tells you his level, percentage of something. Okay. Oh. So how do I scroll through those things? Oh no. Okay, so that one is going as well. So basically exactly the same. So there we have it. Digimon. And yeah, I did this video just because it's some nostalgic fun. And I'm sure there's some people out there who absolutely love these. And I assume they're current again now since I have two. And yeah, go out there and get them. If you are a fan of Tamagotchi and just these kind of novel little things, then these are just, they're so much fun. I think my son's absolutely going to love playing with this. He'll probably kill it numerous times, but who knows? I guess we'll find out. So hope you've enjoyed that video. If you want to follow up and see these battling or anything like that, let us know in the comments. In the meantime, hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you soon. Bye.